Hey guys, so today's video is going to be on how to make these vanilla rainbow cupcakes with white chocolate buttercream frosting. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up before you go and subscribe to my channel. Also check the description for all the links and the measurements for this recipe. The first thing you want to start by doing is adding room temperature butter to a medium-sized bowl along with your sugar, and then you want to mix this until it is creamed together. Then you want to add in your egg whites and vanilla extract. Then in a small bowl, you want to whisk together your all-purpose flour, baking soda, salt, and baking powder. Now you want to mix half of your dry ingredients into your wet. Then you want to add half of your milk to this mixture, and then you just want to do this whole process one more time, and then that is it for the finished batter. And now, since these are rainbow cupcakes, you're going to need some gel food coloring. I used blue, green, yellow, orange, red, and purple. And then you can just add these colors in whatever order and whatever way you would like to. At first I did it in a kind of random way, then I decided I want it to be more of a layered way. So I just layered the purple, the blue, green, I think the yellow, orange, and then red at top. I would recommend you guys maybe use a reusable piping bag, because that would make things a lot easier and make everything a lot more even. But I didn't have any reusable bags to use, so I just used the spoon, and it ended up turning out fine though. Then you want to set these in the oven at 350 for around 15 to 20 minutes. Now moving on to white chocolate buttercream frosting. You want to start by melting your white chocolate chips in the oven and then set it aside to cool while we get started on the frosting. You want to start by adding your room temperature butter to a medium-sized bowl and mix that until it's combined. By the way, the measurements and description might not match with what you guys are seeing on screen. It's because the amount I made was way too much for what I needed, so I'll be halving the recipe or the amount that I used in the description. So just in case you're curious or get confused. Now you want to add your powdered sugar. I just did half at a time until it was nice and incorporated with the butter. Then you want to add in your vanilla extracts and heavy cream, or you can just use regular milk. And lastly, you want to add your melted white chocolate to this batter, and that is the finished white chocolate buttercream frosting. Moving on to the decorating process, you can use whatever tip you would like. I used the Wilton Open Star tip, and I believe the number is 1M. And I just used that for all the cupcakes. If you want, you can also do a rainbow icing, or choose one of the colors from the rainbow as icing. Or you can do plain white like this and add sprinkles or whatever. You know, there's so many different options you can do, but it's up to you. I just decided to have the cupcakes plain like this. And that is it for the finished video. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you did, and also subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys next week with a new video. Bye guys!